Hello everyone, my name is Emily Gunn and this is my Module 1 Personal Introduction for EDL850 School Law. Some personal information and my work environment. I've been married to my husband for almost 18 years. We have two daughters, ages 13 and 10. They keep us very busy. I just completed my 17th year in education. I was a business and technology teacher, 7-12, did spend some time in our grade schools doing some technology courses as well, and recently have been am an instructional coach here at Valley Heights. Been doing that for about 3 years now. We are a mid-sized 2A school located in Northeast Kansas. I think it's important to note that in my tenure here at Valley Heights, 17 years, we are currently on our 6th junior-senior high principal, which I think is quite a lot for 17 years. I would say 4 of the 6 have been pretty effective principals who have moved on to larger districts or even into superintendency. A couple others have kind of shown me some things about what kind of administrator I don't want to be. We do have a very strong team mentality, though, amongst the teachers and staff, so I think that's important. We kind of stick together and rely on each other to get some things done. So a critical reflection of the knowledge of school laws and district policies by my administrator. I would say that he knows some well, for example, the Jason Flatt Act, the SPED rules and laws, and he's really big on the confidentiality rules and regulations. He does know those pretty well. I think there are some things like our district policies that comes across as maybe he's not quite sure about, so I know questions and things get asked. I also know sometimes where there are not policies that we just wing it, where I feel like maybe we should look at making policies instead of going along with what the regulations and laws say and then developing a policy. But we really do have a safe and orderly environment. We do have a nicely written student handbook that guides student actions and consequences for those actions. As far as my personal knowledge of school laws, again, I know some of them, SPED rules and laws, because I've taken the special education class, confidentiality. I also serve on our negotiations team, and so that has given me a lot of knowledge about like school finance laws, school finance rules, and other laws that kind of come into play that happen in a school system. But I do know that I don't know near enough, and I have a lot to learn. So my plan for improvement on how I can learn more is basically completing this course. I hope to learn a lot when I get into the principal's role, and if I don't know, I will ask others, such as a mentor, superintendent who does know, so that we get things done right. You can also always use the KSD website as their wealth of information, and or your like KSB. I know our school board uses them a lot. So there are resources available if we're unsure as to what the law is, about finding out what it is, so we make sure we're making the right decisions. And that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching.